Hey all, welcome to the SIBA campus tour. Our campus in Helsinki consists of 3 buildings, M-talo, R-talo and N-talo. You'll probably make use of all 3 while studying here, so let's get familiar with the facilities. Welcome to the R building tour. My name is Mark and I'm a guitar student here. This is the historic R-talo of Sibelius Academy, the oldest of all the current facilities and the main teaching place for classical and historic performance, as well as composition, music theory and arts management. Here in the cafe you can get a student-priced kahvi for €1.50 and stumble on the occasional traditional Finnish event. The main concert hall was recently renovated in 2019 and has a capacity for 500 audience members. Up the stairs we have Pikkusali, a personal favourite venue of mine, as its smaller size lends to more intimate musical happenings. On the same floor we have the chamber music hall, intended primarily for smaller chamber ensembles and groups to rehearse. Up the stairs we see a typical classroom, where one might go for an oral lesson, or an arts business course, or an instrumental lesson. They are also equipped with grand pianos and big windows, so are sought after as practice rooms.
Hi everyone! My name is Clio and I'm studying for my bachelor's degree in flute. We'll be showing you Music Italo, which is also the Helsinki Music Centre. This is the outside of Music Italo. It opened in 2011, it has 6 concert halls, with the biggest having a capacity of 1,704. Here is the Music Centre's main concert hall. The Finnish Radio Symphony Orchestra and the Helsinki Philharmonic Orchestra perform here regularly, and the students get free tickets for concerts. Sonore has a movable stage that can be removed to create a pit for opera and theatre productions. Next is Black Box. This is where the conducting students rehearse with Kapubandi, the rehearsal orchestra. Lots of folk, global and jazz concerts also take place here. This is Camerata, which is one of the many performance spaces in Music Italo. It has a recording system so we can film ourselves and watch recordings from concerts. This is Organo, which has 2 organs and is used by the church music department. And here is our last concert space, Paavo, which is another performance and rehearsal space. Now we're moving on to the Sibelius Academy side of the building. Here we have Agora, which is the main meeting point in M-talo. There is a small kitchen, a coffee machine and lots of sofas to socialise on. Here is one of the computer rooms, which is free to be used by all students for research and for listening. Next is one of our practice rooms, which is specifically a jazz practice room. It has band equipment and it has recording equipment. This is room 7115, which is one of the many practice rooms at the Sibelius Academy. It has a lovely view of Oodi Library. Here we have the folk music department's Kantele room. And this is the folk music library, which is on the top floor of the building. It's the biggest folk music collection in Finland. There are lots of unique manuscripts and scores that cannot be accessed anywhere else in the world. This is the reed room, which is used by oboe and bassoon players to make and scrape reeds. It is also a social space. The library, which has many scores and books that students can borrow. There are also computers and rooms for listening.
Welcome to the N Building video tour. My name is Lucía and I'm a master's oboe student. This Sibelius Academy building, situated in Nervandarin Katu 13, houses 28 classrooms suitable for lessons and practice that are available for students 24/7. This is the office of the student union and also a place for students to hang out and chill in between classes. There are sofas, a kitchen and even board games. You can access the terrace in this building from the student union office. When the spring arrives, there are plenty of chairs to enjoy the sun outside. Here is the cafeteria. Students get a reduced price of $2.95 for lunch and it's always very busy. This is what a teaching or practice room looks like in this building. Church music students have specific rooms they can use in this building that are fully equipped for practicing. In the dance studio, Pilates and pedagogy courses are held every week. This is one of the biggest rooms in the building and is frequently used for class lessons and chamber music. At the instrument workshop, you can learn how to build an instrument from scratch with the help of amazing teachers.